Okay, so if you're trying to pair or repair your Meta Quest 3S and the Meta Horizons app on your phone and you cannot find the 5-digit pairing code that is required for you to be able to connect your Meta Quest 3S to your phone, I'll quickly show you how to find this pairing code from the settings of your Meta Quest 3S. So basically, you want to go ahead and put on your Meta Quest 3S headset. And on your Meta Quest 3S headset, you basically just want to head over to the settings over here. So open up the settings and then you just want to navigate until you get to general over here. From the left hand side menu, just go ahead and click general, and then from over here you want to scroll over to the about options, select about, and over here you can literally find your pairing code for your Meta Quest 3S. All you just have to do now is to enter this pairing code inside of the Meta Horizons app on your phone and you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.